So this is my cajon from my previous video, and today we're going to be adding some varnish onto it. So I actually made this cajon in some sort of DIY workshop, so even though I finished everything then, there wasn't any wood finish for it. So there are many different types of wood finish. You know, you got your oils and wax, lacquer, but I'm going to be using varnish because my main aim is to protect the wood, which I think varnish is quite good at. So I picked this up at the store the other day, and today we're just gonna add a nice layer to it. Okay, I've laid down a lot of newspaper to catch all the varnish that drips down to the floor, and now I'm all set. First, I'm gonna need to mix up my varnish, so I'm just gonna open it up now. Okay, I broke my stick. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up since it's been sitting around for a few days, in case the mixture's not even anymore. This is actually my first time varnishing as well, so those of you who are too afraid to put some wood finish on your whatever wooden thing you have, just go for it. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? While applying the varnish, I actually realized that it started to highlight some of the imperfections in the wood, such as when I sanded too much, or I put too much wood glue or some wood filling. And although it kind of changed the pattern a bit, I thought it looked quite good because it looked like I left my mark on the wood. It made me feel like I really made it myself. So I'm actually going to have to varnish a few layers, so I'm going to leave this first layer to dry first, and then continue for either 1 or 2 more layers before I'm done. As you can see, the colors changed a lot. It's because my varnish is walnut, so it's got a nice walnut color, but a lot of the wood soaked up the varnish, so we're going to have to put a few more layers in order to get that good protection. Kind of wrecked the floor here as well, so you might want to lay out more newspaper and use a more open space when you do this. Before adding this second layer, I was a bit skeptical myself about whether this whole thing would work out, but as I applied the layers and it started to dry, I saw that it was really starting to gain that shine, so I guess it all worked out. Good to stick with your gut sometimes, I guess. Wow, look at that shine. So that's basically how you varnish something and how you make a mess while you're doing that. I'm gonna have to clean that up later. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. And